The rise of quiet luxury, fashion's silent revolution in 2025. In a world obsessed with bold logos and ostentatious branding, a new wave is taking over the fashion industry in 2025, the age of quiet luxury. Unlike past trends, where recognition came from oversized monograms and flamboyant designs, this movement is all about subtlety, craftsmanship, and understated elegance. It's not about how loud your outfit is, but how refined it feels. Celebrities, tech billionaires, and global influencers are now dressing down in the most deliberate and sophisticated way possible. This shift speaks volumes about changing consumer values, where authenticity and longevity outweigh short-lived trends. The brands leading this silent revolution aren't new. They've always been here. Loro Piana, The Row, Brunello Cucinelli, and Jill Sander are finally receiving their due, not because they changed, but because the world did. Their timeless tailoring, neutral palettes, and expert materials whisper status without screaming it. Social media, once the amplifier of maximalism, is now filled with capsule wardrobe reels, clean aesthetic visuals, and style breakdowns that emphasize stealth wealth. TikTok and YouTube creators are diving deep into why this pared-back elegance feels more powerful than ever. In 2025, if you know, you know. And that's the point. What's driving this fashion shift? A cultural hunger for authenticity, fueled by global economic uncertainty and growing sustainability concerns. Fast fashion's impact is being exposed in ways that can no longer be ignored. Consumers, especially millennials and Gen Z, are rejecting the disposable mindset in favor of investment pieces that last. Wearing one blazer in 36 ways isn't just frugal, it's fashionable. The rise of personal uniform dressing, think black trousers, crisp white shirts, and trench coats, is helping people establish visual consistency while simplifying their lives. These wardrobe staples are not just items of clothing, they're statements of intent and alignment with a more conscious lifestyle. In this climate, even streetwear and digital fashion spaces are adapting. High-end streetwear labels are stripping back their offerings, focusing on neutral tones, quality fabrics, and minimalist logos. In virtual fashion, metaverse designers are creating skins that echo the real-world quiet luxury palette. Less cyberpunk neon, more sand-washed silk. This convergence between digital and physical worlds reflects a universal craving for calm, clarity, and intention. Fashion in 2025 isn't about turning heads for attention. It's about commanding respect without needing to ask for it. The future of style, it seems, lies in mastering the art of restraint.